How to use floor in Revit 2027. Open Revit, then go to Architecture, then go to Floor. Here I have this arrow, select it, Floor Architectural. Then go to Properties, then select any floor that you want. Let's make the first one concrete. Then go to Draw, let's make a lines. Let's make these lines. Then press on Finish. Then go to 3D. Let's make it realistic. And here is our floor. Go to Architectural, then select your floor. Then we have Edit Boundary to edit your floor, or press on it, double click. Let's make another draw inside, like I want this solid and I want this void, then press on Finish. And here is our floor. Again, let's make another one. Go to Architecture, then Floor, Floor Architectural. Then here in Properties, let's select the same one. Go to Edit Type. Let's duplicate it. Let's name it 0.3. Then go to Edit. Let's make 3 inserts. The first one, the third one, and the third one. The first one, let's make it 0.05. And the second one, let's make it 0.15. And the last one, let's make it 0.1. And this one, the structure, select it from here, then press on Delete. And here on Materials, I have by categories. Let's go to Edit. The first one, let's make it Wood. And the second one, let's make it anything that you want. Let's make it fabric or concrete. Then press OK. And the last one, let's give it a color. Let's make it like this one. Then press OK. Then press on OK. After that, press on OK. And here on Properties, I have my floor, the new one that I created. Go to Boundary, then go to Draw. Let's make a rectangle like this one. Then press on Finish. Then go to 3D. And here is our materials. Go to Architecture, the same. I want to edit this boundary. Select it, go to Edit Boundary, and draw like whatever you want.